Okay, y'all. I have to give props to this thing here. Um, I am age 55, will be soon 56, and I've been in the hot flash area of my life for about 5 years. So I would sit and I would have a hand fan that I would constantly fan with, or a regular fan. Not anymore. This fan, it has three modes. 1, 2, 3. That's the lowest, and this is the highest. It oscillates. It's got lights that change color, but the thing that makes it an air conditioner, you put water down in here, you turn on this mist, and you get cold air hitting you right in the face when you have your hottest times. It is awesome. It's worth your money. I seldom do these kind of things, but I had to tell you about this. Buy you one, especially if you have hot flashes.